This is everything I have left. Please bring her back to life. I understand. She'll be like new. It's not just a car, it's my legacy. I promise. See this corrosion on the door? It's deep, needs full replacement. How bad is it? Can we save the frame? The frame is solid. We can cut out the rust and weld in a new panel. See these bubbles? That's deep rust. How bad is it? Can it be saved? It's everywhere. The frame is compromised. So it's a total loss? Might be. Let's check the rear. Look at the dashboard. Rust everywhere. The seats are shot, water damage. Steering column is seized, total rebuild. The floor pan is rusted through. This is a mess. Let's see what we're working with here. Careful with that rust, it could give way. Got it open, the engine's a total loss. I see, we'll need a full rebuild. I can't believe the shape this engine is in. It's seen better days, what do you see? The hoses are shot, this connection is rusted solid. Take a look at the block.
All right, winch is live. Copy. Pulling now. Steady, keep her straight. All right, lower it slow. Got it, keep it steady.
All right, let's get this strapped down tight. Watch the frame, it's rusted through. I'll check the front chains. Strap secure, good to go. Looks solid, let's move. Careful with that rusted joint. Yeah, it's really stuck. Grabbing the wrench. Good, check the other side. Looks clear, dropping this piece now. All right, one more. All right, pumping now, keep it steady. Got it, guiding from here. It's clear, holding steady, looks good. Ready to swing. All right, bringing her down, steady now. Copy that, looks good. Contact, perfect settle, she's grounded. Solid, ready for the next. This F40 is more than a car. It's a dream I never thought I'd hold. She's in perfect condition. Everything is just right. Wonderful. Just hearing that makes my heart race. She's ready when you are.